Imagine a world where you could transfer money to anyone, anywhere, without a bank. No waiting, no middleman, and no worrying if it's secure. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, welcome to the world of blockchain, the technology behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so much more. But how does it work? Stick around, and I promise by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what blockchain is, how it works, and why it's so revolutionary even if you're starting from scratch. Let's start simple. Blockchain is like a digital notebook. But here's the twist. It's not kept by just one person. Imagine you and your friends all have a copy of the same notebook. Every time someone writes something in it, everyone else updates their copy too. This means no one can secretly erase or change anything without everyone noticing. Sounds cool, right? So, how does blockchain actually work? Blockchain is a chain of blocks. Each block contains three things. First, data. This could be information about a transaction, like Alice sent $10 to Bob. Second, a timestamp. This shows when the transaction happened. And third, a unique code called a hash. This is like the block's fingerprint. Once a block is added to the chain, it's locked in. And here's the beauty of blockchain. It's decentralized. No single person, bank, or government controls it. Instead, it's maintained by a network of computers working together. These computers are called nodes. Let's make it even simpler with a story. Imagine kids trading cards in a playground. Every trade is written in a notebook, and everyone has a copy of that notebook. If one kid tries to cheat and says, "I didn't give you that card," the others can check their notebooks and say, it's right here. That's basically how blockchain works. Everyone keeps everyone else honest. So, why is blockchain so secure? First, decentralization. Since it's stored on thousands of computers, hackers can't target just one place. Second, immutability. Once something is recorded, it can't be changed without everyone knowing. And third, consensus mechanisms. This is just a fancy way of saying all the computers in the network must agree before adding something new. This combination makes blockchain nearly impossible to hack. You might be wondering, what can blockchain actually do? The most common use is cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. But that's just the beginning. Blockchain is also used for supply chains, to track products from factories to your home. It's used in voting systems, to make elections more transparent. In healthcare, it keeps patient records secure and accessible, and so much more. Let's clear up some common myths about blockchain. First, blockchain isn't the same as Bitcoin. Blockchain is the technology, and Bitcoin is just one thing that uses it. Second, it's not magic, it's technology. And like all tech, it has its pros and cons. And third, blockchain isn't completely anonymous. Transactions are visible to everyone, but your personal identity is hidden. So, is blockchain the future? Many people think so. It's already transforming industries and challenging how we think about trust, security, and ownership. But it's still evolving. Who knows? Maybe one day, blockchain will power everything from the internet to your morning coffee order. If you've learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more easy-to-understand crypto content. And let me know in the comments, what do you think is the most exciting use of blockchain? Let's start the conversation.